Welcome everyone to the second week of our course, Assessment in Physical Education. And I know you've had an interesting first week, but don't worry, we hope things will become a little bit more familiar and be a little bit more clear for you. In this module, I just want to provide you with a general review of this week's expectations. And you've noticed that there's a lot of information provided on the front end of the course. And all of this information, although it will be referred to later on throughout the course, students in the past have suggested that this information be included so they can see it and work on it at their own convenience. For this week, you'll see a similar layout as the first week's module. I have some general information for you, but be sure that you read and follow any and all of the guidelines provided, and always double check with the syllabus. When in doubt, when there's a conflict, follow what's in the syllabus. Now, as you scroll down, you'll see additional resources and forms. The All Factor video clip is just there to get you thinking, appreciate how awesome our universe is, and just to recognize that something this miraculous must have had an awesome creator as well. There's no assignment requirements attached to this form. Then you have your Issues in Assessment number 1 assignment. The PDF document provides the guidelines for this assignment, and as you read and prepare your response, I want you to think broadly and consider how assessment plays a role in the issue. Oftentimes, we are limited in our own thinking, which is based on our own individual experiences. And although this is a personal reflection, I do want you to try and think beyond yourself and consider how the issue can impact the profession and even all the stakeholders that are involved. Also, when submitting your reflection, avoid responding to the questions in a simple Q&A format. And this goes for any assignments that include guiding questions that you need to respond to. Be sure you are thorough, you're comprehensive in your reflections, and you articulate it in a very professional way. Now, I mentioned that you should try to keep your response within one page, and I know sometimes this is difficult. If you extend past that one page, it's fine, it's okay, but I do want you to be brief and get to the point. This is not an in-depth research reflection. I want you to demonstrate quality in your writing, though, when you do respond. Next, you'll see 2 other forms. The first is a discussion form for assessment number 1, and the second is the assignment submission form. For your discussion form, it's not necessary that you have developed your final response paper. In the discussion form, I just want you to provide your initial quick first thoughts to the issue. Just begin typing. There's no specific format to follow for the discussion form. I want you just to post your first thoughts as you respond to the issue, and then discuss the issue with your classmates throughout the week. Your initial discussion forum post must be done by Tuesday, and then you're going to have to respond to at least 2 of your classmates by Thursday. Remember, follow the guidelines for the threaded discussion as well. And then throughout the week, as you read and respond to your classmates, I want you to think about all the discussion that took place, and then begin to work on your final paper. And once you're done with that, go ahead and post your final properly formatted paper in the assignment submission form. So consider what your classmates have said and think about the broad impact of the issue when writing your paper. And the final paper should be posted by Sunday in the proper assessment posting form. And lastly, for the week, prepare for and complete your test number 2. I hope this brief presentation helps a little bit with understanding the weekly expectations. As usual, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, and we'll see you online.